Yes, you can earn $50,000 a year with ChatGPT, based on your skills and the services you provide. Consistency and high-demand services are key. Consider these services to earn $50,000 annually: freelance writing, social media management, affiliate marketing, online courses, chatbot development, virtual assistants. To earn $50,000, charge appropriately. Freelance writing can be $100 to $500 per article. An ebook may sell for $50. Consulting can be $100 to $200 per hour. Hours needed per week vary. Freelance writing at 2 articles can take 10 to 20 hours. Consulting might need 10 to 15 hours weekly. Challenges include finding high-paying clients, competition from freelancers, time management, and sustaining income through marketing. Yes, ChatGPT helps automate tasks, allowing you to take on more projects and increase your earnings by streamlining your workflow. Effective marketing strategies include showcasing your portfolio, networking online, cold outreach, and offering service packages. To scale your income, consider increasing your rates, offering additional services, automating tasks, or hiring help to manage workloads. The time to earn $50,000 varies. Some achieve it in a year, while others take longer based on client acquisition and consistency. Maintain steady income by building client relationships, diversifying services, staying updated, and optimizing workflow with ChatGPT.